If you're still accepting payments through bank transfers, sending PayPal links manually, or juggling separate tools for invoices, subscriptions, and checkout pages, you're making your business way more complicated than it needs to be. The reality is, getting paid online shouldn't require 5 different apps or hours of setup. Whether you're selling products, event tickets, memberships, digital downloads, or even collecting donations, the payment process should be fast, professional, and effortless for both you and your customers. Now, that's exactly what paymentform.io is built for. Instead of giving you a full-blown e-commerce platform with hundreds of features you'll probably never use, Paymentform focuses on one thing: helping you create beautiful payment forms that actually convert, while also handling recurring payments, invoices, client management, abandoned cart recovery, and much more, all from a single dashboard. So let's jump into the dashboard and see what paymentform.io has to offer. So this is what the dashboard looks like. For this demo, let's imagine I own a clothing brand called Urban Fit. I'm selling 2 products, a classic t-shirt for $25 and a premium hoodie for $60. So I'll click Create Form. There are multiple template options here. I'm selecting the multiple products module since this is probably what most businesses will use. Now I'll add my products. For the t-shirt, I can upload an image, write a description, set the price, and even add variants like size, small, medium, large, and color, black, white, and navy. I'll do the same for the hoodie. And there are plenty of options here, like tax rules, billing fields, and you can even enable or disable shipping, and create coupons. It's completely customizable. Everything stays clean and simple. Next, I'll customize the branding. I'll upload my logo, change the button color to match my brand, and add a few customer fields like full name, shipping address, and phone number. If I wanted to collect extra information like a gift message or a customer request, I could simply add another field here. No coding required. Well, let's connect a payment processor. Paymentform lets you connect your own Stripe, PayPal, and other supported gateways. So the payments go directly to your own account. One thing I really like here is that paymentform.io, it doesn't take a commission on your sales. You're simply using your own payment processor instead of paying another platform fee on every order. Now I will publish the form. I can generate a URL, an embedded link, or even a QR code that I can share with anyone easily. Now let's preview the form. This looks exactly like a professional checkout page. I'll select a premium hoodie, choose medium, increase the quantity, fill in the customer information, and complete a payment. The checkout process is smooth, responsive, and honestly feels much cleaner than many traditional e-commerce checkouts. But of course, selling physical products is only one use case. If we go back, you'll notice there are several other templates. There's a single product form if you're only selling one item, donation form for nonprofits and fundraising campaigns, event registration forms where customers can buy tickets while registering, membership and subscription forms for recurring payments, and service payment forms if you're a freelancer, consultant, or agency. The nice thing is that every module follows the same builder. So once you know how to create one form, building the others only takes a few minutes. Now, another feature worth mentioning is abandoned cart recovery. Let's say a customer reaches the payment page but leaves before completing the purchase. Instead of losing that sale forever, Paymentform can automatically follow up and encourage them to finish checking out. That's something businesses normally need another marketing tool for. You'll also find real-time reporting inside the dashboard instead of manually updating spreadsheets after every order. You can immediately see your sales, completed orders, partial submissions, customer activity, and revenue from one place. You can even run analytics from inside the dashboard. Now, isn't that impressive? Right now, I have 0 submissions, but once people start completing the form, you'll see all the insights here. Now let's switch over to the client portal. After a customer completes their purchase, they receive their own portal, where they can log in and view previous orders, payment history, invoices, subscriptions, and account details. For businesses, this means fewer customer support emails asking for receipts or order information, because customers can access everything themselves. It's a small feature that makes your business feel much more professional. Finally, let's generate an invoice. Instead of opening another invoicing platform, I can create one directly inside paymentform.io. I'll enter the customer details, select the products, apply taxes if needed, add payment terms, and the invoice is ready. It looks clean, professional, and can be sent to the customer immediately. After using paymentform.io, what stands out isn't just that it lets you accept payments. It replaces several tools that businesses often pay for separately. And the best part is that there's 0 transaction fee. So if you're a creator, freelancer, agency, nonprofit, or small business looking for a faster way to start selling online, paymentform.io is definitely worth checking out. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from us next, and I'll catch you in the next one.